Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some recipes with oats. Sounds boring, right? But trust me and just give it a try. I'm sure that you're going to love it. Firstly, you can take rolled oats or instant oats. Generally, whenever I have time, I dry roast some oats and grind them and store it in a container so that I can make all these recipes instantly. Here I am taking rolled oats in a pan and I am going to dry roast them in medium heat until I smell that nice aroma, and then I am going to grind it. As you can see here, I made it into a coarse powder, but you can also make it into a fine powder. So let's make some oats chilla now. For this, take 1 cup of oats powder that we made and add half cup of suji, half cup curd, salt and add water to make a thin consistency batter. I like to include as many veggies as possible, so I'm adding all these, but you can totally skip it if you don't like them. Here I have some ginger, green chilies, carrots, bell peppers, onion, tomato, French beans and green beans. You can always chop the veggies the before day and store it in the refrigerator to make your life little bit easy in the morning. Here I have a pan heating up on medium heat. I'm going to make small pancakes with the batter. They come very nicely with or without oil in a non-stick pan. Now let's make some yummy besan pancakes. For that I took 1 cup of normal oats, not roasted or anything, just normal. And then I have soaked them in water for 10 minutes. And I'm just giving it a good stir. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of besan and some salt. Add some turmeric powder, cumin powder and red chili powder and give it a good mix. Add veggies of your choice. I'm almost adding the same veggies like before, but instead of French beans, I'm using chopped spinach. If you hate spinach, all these recipes are a great way to include spinach in your diet. You can also make puree out of it and add in all the recipes. Trust me, you won't feel the taste of it. Add water to adjust the consistency and finally add some crushed green chilies and ginger. Next, let's make some oats dosa. For this, I'm taking 1 cup of oats powder, 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, some ghee and salt. Add water to make dosa batter consistency. Now add half teaspoon of baking soda, or you can even add Eno or cooking soda, and let it sit for 10 minutes. You can top it with carrots or onions or cheese. Next recipe is my favorite oats idli. For this, take 1 cup of oats powder, 1 cup suji, 1 cup curd, some salt, and add enough water to make it into idli batter consistency. Add some grated carrots and green peas. Now we need to prepare a tadka to add into the idli batter. Whenever you add cumin seeds to anything, just slightly crush with your hands and add it. It adds so much flavor. And don't skip cashews in these idlis, it adds nice crunch. I forgot to add turmeric in the tadka, so I'm adding here, and I'm also adding like half teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm gonna rest it for 10 minutes. I will now add the batter to the greased idli trays. I have the water boiling already. These idlis generally take very less time compared to normal idlis, so keep a check on it when you're making for the first time. Finally, I'm going to make oats upma. This is basically like normal upma, but I'm adding all the veggies and some oats powder. But you can also make another version of it where you skip semolina totally and do it with roasted oats directly without grinding them. That tastes so good too. I like to add turmeric in almost all the recipes, but it's completely optional. If you like this video, consider subscribing and do share it with your friends.